BRAINCOM presents. Ever wondered what makes some romantic relationships so strong and enduring? It's not just about grand gestures or shared interests, it's about the habits. Yes, those daily, seemingly insignificant actions and decisions that weave the tapestry of your love story. Just like a healthy diet or regular exercise, habits shape and sustain strong romantic relationships. Intrigued? Well, you should be. Stay tuned as we explore 15 habits that can help you build a strong romantic relationship. Let's chat about the first habit, communication. It's all about keeping it open, honest, and respectful. Talking isn't just about your day, it goes deeper, right? It's sharing your thoughts, dreams, fears, and feelings, the whole shebang. See, but when you communicate well, you're not just exchanging info, you're building a bridge between two hearts, fostering understanding and nurturing your bond. On to the next habit, quality time. Now, this isn't just about being in the same room, it's about being present and engaged, creating and sharing experiences that you both enjoy, like a walk in the park or a movie night or just a quiet dinner at home. It's these shared moments that bind your lives together, creating a beautiful tapestry of shared memories and experiences. Up next, respect. This habit is about appreciating each other's individuality, your differences, and respecting each other's boundaries. It's like acknowledging that your partner's feelings, opinions, and needs are just as important as next up, trust. Trust is what keeps a relationship going. It's about feeling safe, knowing your partner has your back. Trust isn't built in a day, it takes time through consistent, honest, and reliable behavior. Lastly, we have support. This habit is about being there for your partner through thick and thin. It's about being their cheerleader, their confidant, their safe haven. Support is about understanding that your partner, just like you, has their own dreams, struggles, and triumphs, and being there to champion, comfort, and celebrate with them. These first 5 habits are crucial, but there's more to it, so let's continue our journey through the habits that make a romantic relationship strong. Moving on, the 6th habit is compromise. Love is about meeting in the middle. It's about understanding that your partner is a separate individual with their own preferences and perspectives. Compromise doesn't mean giving up what you want. Rather, it's about finding a balance that satisfies both parties. It's about learning to work through differences constructively without resentment or bitterness. Next up, we have patience. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a strong romantic relationship. It takes time to understand each other, to grow together, and to build a shared life. Patience allows for this growth. It gives room for mistakes, for learning, and for improvement. It's about realizing that your partner's human and that they will have their strengths and weaknesses just like you. On to the 8th habit, which is independence. While it's essential to share your life with your partner, it's equally important to maintain your own identity. Being in a relationship doesn't mean losing yourself. Maintain your hobbies, your friendships, your passions. Independence ensures that you bring something unique to the table, something that enriches the relationship. The 9th habit is intimacy. Intimacy is not just about physical closeness. It's about emotional closeness as well. It's about sharing your deepest thoughts, fears, and dreams with your partner. It's about being vulnerable and trusting your partner with that vulnerability. Intimacy fosters a deep, emotional connection that strengthens the bond between you and your partner. Last but not least, the 10th habit is gratitude. Never take your partner for granted. Show appreciation for the little things they do, for their love, their support, their kindness. Gratitude nurtures positivity in the relationship, making it more resilient in the face of challenges. These habits build upon the foundation and help to solidify the relationship. Finally, the 11th habit is self-improvement. Growing individually helps you grow together. It's about learning, evolving, and bettering yourself, not just for you, but for your relationship. It's about acknowledging that there's always room for growth and being open to change. Remember, a relationship is a partnership, and when both partners are committed to self-improvement, the relationship becomes a beautiful journey of mutual growth. Next up, the 12th habit, forgiveness. It's essential in any relationship, especially a romantic one. Misunderstandings, disagreements, and mistakes are inevitable. But holding grudges? That's optional. Forgiveness is not about forgetting or condoning the wrongs. It's about letting go of resentment. It's about choosing peace over pride, love over ego, The 13th habit is adventure. Keep the spark alive by creating shared experiences. Explore new places, try new foods, take on new challenges together. This doesn't mean you need to be globe-trotting or bungee jumping every weekend. Adventure can be as simple as trying a new recipe together or exploring a new neighborhood. It's about breaking the routine and keeping the excitement alive. 14th on the list is laughter. It's the best medicine, right? In a relationship, it's the glue that binds hearts. Shared moments of joy, silliness, and laughter can lighten any mood, dissolve tension, and bring you closer together. So don't forget to laugh together, to find humor in the little things, and to create moments of joy in your everyday lives. Last but not least, the 15th habit, love. But not just the emotion, the action. Show your love in little ways every day. A sweet note, a warm hug, a sincere compliment. These small gestures of love can mean more than grand declarations. Remember, love is not just a feeling, it's a choice, it's an action, it's a habit. These final habits help to keep the relationship fresh, exciting, and full of love. So, what have we learned about building a strong romantic relationship? We've uncovered 15 habits that can undoubtedly cement the foundation of a love that lasts. Let's take a moment to revisit them. Firstly, we learned about the importance of open and honest communication. It's the bedrock of any relationship. Alongside this, we discovered the need for mutual respect. Respect is the glue that holds any partnership together. Thirdly, we underscored the value of quality time. It's not just about being together, it's about being present and engaged. Our fourth habit was the art of compromise. Relationships are a two-way street, and sometimes we need to meet in the middle. We then delved into the habit of expressing love often. Love isn't just a feeling, it's an action. Show it, say it, and most importantly, mean it. Moving on to the sixth habit, we learned about the significance of having shared goals. A couple that dreams together stays together. Our seventh habit was about maintaining individuality. Remember, you're a team, but you're also individuals with unique needs and interests. Next, we explored the importance of trust. Trust is like a mirror. Once broken, it's hard to repair. Our ninth habit was about keeping the spark alive. Love should never be monotonous. Keep surprising each other, keep the romance alive. Our 10th habit touched on the importance of patience and forgiveness. We are all human and we make mistakes. Forgiveness is a virtue that can heal many wounds. Then we discussed the 11th habit of maintaining a healthy physical relationship. It's not just about attraction, it's about connectivity and intimacy. Our 12th habit was about showing appreciation. A simple thank you can go a long way. Lastly, we looked at the final 3 habits: staying positive even in challenging times, setting boundaries for a healthy balance, and finally nurturing a deep friendship. Because at the end of the day, your partner should also be your best friend. Remember, it's these habits that shape the strength and longevity of your romantic relationship. Building a strong romantic relationship isn't about grand gestures or fairy tale moments. It's about the little things, the daily habits that you cultivate and practice consistently. It's about how you communicate, how you show your love, and how you handle disagreements. It's about the respect, the appreciation, and the mutual understanding that you nurture day in, day out. These 15 habits we've talked about today, they're not just ideas, they're tools. Tools that you can use to build a relationship that's not just strong, but also healthy, fulfilling, and genuinely joyful. But here's the thing. These tools, they're not going to build anything if you don't use them. Think of it like this. If you're trying to build a house, you can have all the best tools in the world, but if you don't actually pick them up and use them, that house isn't going to build itself. Same thing with a relationship. You've got to pick up these habits, use them, and use them consistently. And remember, this isn't a race. You don't have to master all 15 habits overnight. Take your time, start with 1, then 2, then 3, and so on. Practice, refine, and keep going. So there you have it, the 15 habits that can help you build a strong romantic relationship. Start today, and watch your love grow stronger with each passing day. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to click on the notification bell, so then you get notified of our next post. Also, to learn about many other interesting topics, be sure to check our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.